Now this is going to be a very different kind of video here. I'm not doing any unboxing or any review here. I'll be installing these op amps. Come on, okay, I have to cut this. I was slightly careless about this. I have to cut this to open this. Okay, so I'll be installing these op amps in the Burson Playmate. These are the V6 classic op amps. I have already installed the V6 Vivid op amps. It comes with NE5532. Don't be confused. 5532 is the dual channel and the 5534 is single channel op amp. So if you want to op amp roll, you need to be much more cautious about the channels you have. Don't go overboard because quad channels will not support the dual channels and dual will not fit quads, so be aware of that. Now while installing, make sure Burson ships with these things. Okay, you do not need these footers. Okay, these are the extra footers they give it if you have the space inside the deck, but in here you do not have any space for these footers, so you do not need this. These are extras. If you have some other, you can obviously use this, but here inside the Playmate there is no space for these things, so make sure you remove them or it will not fit properly. Okay, let me remove this. I'm not fast forwarding this video or anything because I believe it should not take that long. I'm not going to play or run it. It's a very simple, it is supposed to be a very simple thing. Unscrew this with this H2.0 screwdrivers, H2.0. These screwdrivers can be bought in the local market for as low as 120 rupees. Not expensive at all. If you already have it, fantastic. If you do not, you do not need to spend a lot at all. Now these op amps can be used with variety of stuff. They have tutorials for all of this, and you guys can see where these things will fit. Make sure that, okay, so I made a mistake here, a goof up to be precise. I have used a different screw last time when I opened it, and fantastic, I'm screwed. I need another head. No need to watch these things, you guys can obviously skip. Silly me, I forgot that I do not need to remove the back plate to swap the op amps. So let me show you again how to swap this. Just take this out. These are installed, pre-installed. Now all you have to do is to align this groove to the outside. You guys can see the notch here. Align the groove with it and just swap this, as easy as that. Yeah, you guys can see this groove. Let me show you this first. Same size, exactly same size. This is V6 Classic Dual and this is Vivid Dual. It does need good amount of light, to be precise. Don't forget to have plenty of light when you are installing this. Don't forget to have very good amount of lighting around it. Now good thing is that there are a lot of protections when you are using these things. They have printed it at different faces. This is kind of confusing because this can be indicative of a few things. People are deceived by these things. I'll be talking with person about this because they should not do that, because there are people who might get deceived by it. It's not exactly something no one is looking at. There is obviously someone who is interested. Let's see if they are aligned. Yeah, this is in, everyone in. Yeah, you can see this is the notch, and you have to put them like that. They are in exactly same orientation. As you can see, the notch is facing this side, so very easy. Plug and play. Yeah, Burson has plug and play, not everyone has plug and play. So if you want to swap it with something that has a permanent op amp, you have to solder these things in, and that's that easy. People are doing it on the sound cards. I'm not doing it with my sound cards. I do not have sound cards, to be precise. I'm not exactly deep into this shit, but yeah, that's that. Now the difference is, as we guys can read from their website, the V6 Vivid, it's supposed to have a bigger stage, better dynamism, and this one has better accuracy and a slightly intimate stage. I'm not sure how intimate is it or it is. So I'll be writing the review on the headphone list, and the review should be up in a couple of weeks. If you bothered watching, really, I do not think that a earphone or headphone enthusiast will watch this video. So if you watch this video, thank you, really thank you for watching.